now we can get to the highlighted group of the day. And we're going to use double the group ETF, which is GUSH. Okay? I am going to say to you today, I'm going to throw down the gauntlet. I'm going to underline it, highlight it, and circle it. This is the week where institutional capital is beginning to shift into traditional energy stocks. Not uranium, not coal. I'm talking about oil and natural gas. This is going to be the week. We're going to look back on this, I don't know, 3 months, 6 months, and go, oh my God, what an entry point that was. That was the beginning of the move into energy. First of all, why do I say that? Just look at the chart pattern. This is the chart pattern that's been making us an insane amount of money together. I mean, is it fair to say that now? Can I just say that? I mean, we've been working together over 5 years. How many times has this pattern made us a fortune? Not every time, right? Not a crystal ball hits the stop, we get out, okay? But this is the pattern that begins big moves. This is a long-term downtrend, a bottoming wedge, a weekly close above all the key moving averages. Doesn't mean it's going to be easy. Sometimes it pops up, then it comes down in tests, then it skyrockets. There's volatility at the beginning of these moves because you got a lot of overhead. So you get a run up for a week, and then guys who have been trapped in energy are happy to sell it for a little bit, and it tests, and then it reverses and it really starts to go. Sometimes it just takes off. We don't know. I'll give you an example of what I mean. Take a look at Peabody. Okay, this was a different, but the same type of look, right? Big downtrend, and it took a while. It broke out here in the number 2. It broke out, and then it gapped up. Then it came all the way down and tested. Ran up again, tested again. Then it took off, okay? The difference between Peabody and buying GUSH right now is that Peabody in the number 2 slot here is below the key moving average of the 200-day. GUSH just broke out above all of them, and the moving averages are all tight to each other. That is a packed powder keg, and I love it. So we own a little bit of GUSH in the portfolio. I shifted capital. About 10% of the flagship fund is now in energy. I might get it to 20. I look forward to seeing all of you on the live trading desk. In 5 minutes, we'll get that started. Everybody else who can't make it, consider joining us again at 3 o'clock. ARMR Insiders, we're going to do our week in review. ARMR Report subscribers, I'll try to maybe put together a write-up so you know what happened, or consider joining us, become an ARMR Insider and be on the desk all day and have access to that type of information. You can always do that. So at the end of the day, whatever I've said, hey, please think for yourself. Risk tolerance, goals, targets, strategies. Be the smart money.